Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll first confirm prerequisites, then act. Make sure your AirPods are paired and your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later. Once paired, unlock the phone and long press the home or lock screen to enter jiggle mode. This lets you add widgets. Tap the plus at the top left to open the widget gallery. Choose the AirPods widget or the batteries widget if AirPods option is absent. Drag it to the desired spot, then tap Done to lock placement and proceed to configuration. Once you've added the widget placeholder, you'll configure size and placement. Select small, medium, or large depending on how much battery detail you want. The small shows left/right battery, larger sizes include case percentage. Drag the widget to a convenient spot or drop it into a smart stack to rotate with other widgets. If the widget shows wrong device, while still in jiggle mode, tap the widget to cycle data sources until your AirPods appear. Make sure Bluetooth is active. Finish by tapping Done, then glance at the widget to confirm it shows your AirPods battery and connection status. If the widget remains blank or shows another device, make sure Bluetooth is on and your AirPods are connected. Disconnect and repair via Settings Bluetooth if needed. If problems persist, restart your iPhone, then remove and re-add the widget. One key tip: toggling Bluetooth often forces the widget to refresh immediately, so try that before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.